Dear students, today we are discussing about wave optics, chapter 10. We will discuss wave optics, chapter 10. Now I am discussing wavefront. What is wavefront? Wavefront means this is the continuous locus of all the points of the medium which are vibrating in the same phase. Continuous locus of all the points of the medium which are vibrating with the same phase. These are called the wavefront. Like if you throw a stone in the water, then you will get like concentric circle are produced. Each circle is called wavefront. These are the wavefront. This is the water wave. So, and in case of light wave, it cannot be seen. But if you get a point source and surrounding this point source, you will get wavefront. Wavefront means this is the continuous locus of all the points of the medium which are vibrating with the same phase. Wavefront types you see. Spherical wavefront, spherical wavefront means when the source of light is point source, then spherical wavefront is produced. Like suppose this is the source of light, and from this point source, suppose at a distance of 5 centimeter, if you join all the points which are 5 centimeter away from this point, we will get a sphere. So this will be a spherical wavefront. Like 10 centimeter, at a distance of 10 centimeter, you will get another wavefront. Like this way you will get wavefront. So if the source of light is point source, then we will get spherical wavefront. This is the source. These are rays. This is sphere, not circle. So, if you take point source, and when this point source give light, the light will spread in the form of spherical wavefront. cylindrical wavefront. When the source of light is linear, then cylindrical wavefront is produced, like tube light. Source of light like tube light. Then taking radius 5 centimeter, if you join all the points which are away from the tube light, that means linear source, and if you join this, then you will get a cylinder like this. If you join all the points which are at a fixed distance away from the linear source, it becomes a cylindrical wavefront. मैं क्या बताया, सपोज एक लीनियर सोर्स लिया, लीनियर सोर्स से सेम डिस्टेंस दूर में जितना पॉइंट है वो पॉइंट ज्वाइन करने से विल गेट सिलेंडर. सो दिस सिलेंडर विल बी द cylindrical wavefront. So for cylindrical wavefront we need linear source. So this is the source of light. These are the rays of light. This is the source. So when source is linear, we will get cylindrical wavefront. And now we are getting plane wavefront. Plane wavefront. Plane wavefront, this is the part of a spherical or cylindrical wavefront whose source is far away. Whose source is at a far away, then it is called the plane wavefront. Plane wavefront is a part of a spherical or cylindrical wavefront whose source is at a far away. This is the plane wavefront. When source is point source, when source of light is point source, then we will get spherical wavefront. These are the rays. This is the source. When source of light is linear, then the wavefront will be cylindrical wavefront, and a part of spherical or cylindrical wavefront is called the plane wavefront. ओके, पॉइंट सोर्स होने से और स्फेरिकल वेवफ्रंट होगा, लीनियर सोर्स होने से सिलिंड्रिकल वेवफ्रंट होगा, ए पार्ट ऑफ स्फेरिकल वेवफ्रंट और स्फेरिकल वेवफ्रंट और सिलिंड्रिकल वेवफ्रंट इज द प्लेन वेवफ्रंट. And cylindrical wavefront, this is the linear source of light, and from this source, if you take all the points which are 10 centimeter away from it and join this, it becomes a cylinder. So for linear source we will get cylindrical wavefront. This is point source, and from this point you take all the points which are 7 centimeter away from it, and if you join you will get a cylinder. And this part, this is a plane like this. This part, this is a plane. These are the plane wavefront. So plane wavefront is the part of spherical and cylindrical wavefront whose radius is large. Or source is at a far distance, large distance. Source is at a large distance, and then we will get plane wavefront. Now question is, what is ray? We are going to wave optics. So in wave optics, how ray can be represented? Ray means the lines which are perpendicular to the wavefront are called the ray. The lines which are perpendicular to the wavefront are called the ray. So this is ray, these are ray, these are also ray, these are also ray. Ray always will be perpendicular to the wavefront. If this is wavefront, ray will be perpendicular to this. So ray will be always perpendicular to the wavefront. Now question is, what will be the shape of the wavefront in case of parallel beam of light? If the wavefront, three types we have got. Now question is, if we choose parallel beam of light, what will be the shape of the wavefront? Parallel beam of light, parallel beam of light. In this case, the wavefront will be plane and it is represented by line. This is plane wavefront. So if the rays are parallel, then the wavefront will be plane wavefront and it is represented by the line, straight line. Plane wavefront is represented by straight line. If the rays are converging, then the wavefront will be spherical, but the shape will be like this way. Suppose this is the center and the wavefront will be like this way, like this. Parallel beam of light, converging beam of light, diverging. In case of diverging beam of light, this will also be spherical wavefront, but in this case the shape will be like this, like this. So this is the shape of wavefront. In case of parallel beam of light, wavefront will be plane wavefront, and plane wavefront is represented by a line. In case of converging beam of light, the wavefront will be spherical. Wavefront will be spherical. In case of diverging also, wavefront will be spherical. But you see, its curvature is in this direction, its curvature is in this direction. This is the difference. Okay. Now we are going to hygiene principle. Hygiene principle. Hygiene principle. Hygiene principle key. What is hygiene principle? Hygiene principle, it is said that the light source which is spreading light in all directions in the form of wavefront, the wavefront which we first choose is called the primary wavefront. This is a source of light. This is the wavefront chosen. So this is the primary wavefront. And all the points of the primary wavefront give disturbance in all directions like the original source of light. These disturbances are called the wavelets, secondary wavelets. So suppose this is the primary wavefront. Say this is AB. Its all points give light in all directions like the original source. So all the points of the primary wavefront give light in all directions in the form of the original source. These are called the wavelets. And the envelope in the forward direction, this is an envelope. Another envelope is this. Say this is A1, say this is A1, B1, this is A2, B2. So A2, B2 will be the secondary wavefront. The envelope in the forward direction of the wavelets represent the secondary wavefront. This AB is the primary wavefront, A2B2 is the secondary wavefront, and this is the direction of propagation of light. Okay. If the wavefront, say this is the plane wavefront, then also its all points act as the original source. It will give disturbance in all directions. So say this is AB, this is A2, B2, A1, B1. So A2, B2 will be the secondary wave front, AB is the primary wave front. What is hydrogen principle? Hydrogen principle, first point is all the points of the primary wave front give disturbance in all directions like the original source of light. These are called the secondary wavelets. Second point is the envelope of the wavelets in the forward direction is called the secondary wave front. क्लियर? क्या बात है? एक सोर्स है और लाइट दे रहा है, एक वेव फ्रंट हम लोग चूज किया, जो चूज किया दिस इज द प्राइमरी वेव फ्रंट. सो ए बी इज द प्राइमरी वेव फ्रंट. दिस इज द सोर्स ऑफ so many light source, so many point source of light. These point source of light, that means कि वो प्राइमरी वेव फ्रंट में बहुत सारा पॉइंट है और दिस पॉइंट को हम लोग कंसिडर कर सकते हैं. दिस पॉइंट क्या करेगा, लाइक द ओरिजिनल सोर्स और चारों तरफ में लाइट स्प्रेड करेगा. These are the wavelet. These are the wavelet. These are the wavelet. Secondary wavelet. These are. इसके बाद बताया इसका दो एनवेलप है. देखो, दिस इज एनवेलप, दिस इज अनदर एनवेलप. बट जो एनवेलप इन द फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन ये एनवेलप है. दिस एनवेलप इज कॉल्ड द सेकेंडरी वेव फ्रंट. जो हम लोग चूज किया दिस इज द प्राइमरी वेव फ्रंट. इसका ऑल पॉइंट्स एक्ट एज द सोर्स ऑफ डिस्टर्बेंस लाइक द प्राइमरी सोर्स, ओरिजिनल सोर्स. These are called the wavelets. These are the wavelets. Actually, these are sphere. In 2D, where it seems to be, these are seems to be circle, but these are sphere. And of these envelope, we have got, of these wavelets, we have got two envelopes, A2B2, A1B1. A1B1 is not secondary wave front. Secondary wave front will be the wave envelope which is in the forward direction. So A2B2 will be the secondary wave front. प्राइमरी वेव फ्रंट जो चूज किया और बाद में जो वेव फ्रंट मिला दिस इज द सेकेंडरी वेव फ्रंट. प्राइमरी वेव फ्रंट का जितना पॉइंट है वो पॉइंट चारों तरफ में लाइक द ओरिजिनल सोर्स डिस्टर्बेंस प्रोड्यूस करेगा. दीज आर कॉल्ड द सेकेंडरी वेवलेट एंड द एनवेलप ऑफ द वेवलेट इन द फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन इज द सेकेंडरी वेव फ्रंट. ओके, तो फर्स्ट हम लोग को मिला वेव फ्रंट. इसके बाद हम लोग बताया वेव फ्रंट का टाइप. 3 टाइप है, स्फेरिकल वेव फ्रंट, सिलिंड्रिकल वेव फ्रंट, प्लेन वेव फ्रंट. इसके बाद बताया रे ऑफ लाइट क्या है. हम लोग वेव ऑप्टिक्स पढ़ रहा हूँ. रे ऑफ लाइट यहाँ पे क्या किससे एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हैं, जो लाइन परपेंडिकुलर टू द वेव फ्रंट, दीज आर द रे ऑफ लाइट. इसके बाद शेप ऑफ द वेव फ्रंट. पैरेलल रे होने से वेव फ्रंट का शेप क्या होगा, कन्वर्जिंग बीम होने से क्या होगा, डाइवर्जिंग बीम होने से क्या होगा. पैरेलल होने से प्लेन होगा वेव फ्रंट, इसको लाइन से रिप्रेजेंट करता है. कन्वर्जिंग एंड डाइवर्जिंग होने से स्फेरिकल वेव फ्रंट होगा. इसके बाद हम लोग बताया हाइजीन प्रिंसिपल. हाइजीन प्रिंसिपल में 2 पॉइंट है. फर्स्ट पॉइंट में बढ़ रहा है जो वेवलेट हम लोग चूज किया दिस इज द प्राइमरी वेव फ्रंट. इसका जितना सारा पॉइंट है, इसमें जितना सारा पॉइंट है वो लाइक द ओरिजिनल सोर्स डिस्टर्बेंस चारों तरफ में क्रिएट करेगा. दीज आर द सेकेंडरी वेवलेट. सेकेंड पॉइंट में बढ़ रहा है ये वेवलेट को मैंने एनवेलप द एनवेलप ऑफ दीज वेवलेट्स, द एनवेलप ऑफ दीज वेवलेट्स in the forward direction दो एनवेलप है, बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन, फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन। जो एनवेलप फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन में है, दिस एनवेलप इज कॉल्ड द सेकेंडरी वेव फ्रंट। ओके, ठीक से पढ़ना। बाय।